Welcome! If you're looking to brighten up your Discord experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable light mode on Discord Web using your PC following the latest update. Whether you're tired of the classic dark look or just want something a bit easier on the eyes during the day, switching to light mode is simple and quick. Let's jump right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on it to open up all the customization options for how Discord looks and feels. Inside the appearance settings, you'll notice a few different themes to choose from. To switch to light mode, simply select the option labeled Light. As soon as you click it, you'll see Discord instantly transform from its familiar dark background to a brighter, cleaner look. This new light mode can make text easier to read in well-lit rooms and might even help reduce eye strain if you're working during the day. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled light mode on Discord Web using your PC. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode or try out other themes, just follow these same steps and pick the one that suits you best. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Enjoy your new Discord look, and I'll see you in the next video.